Today in Kele Kitchen, what do we have? We have condensed milk bread. Yes, so stay tight because in few minutes I will show you how you can make this delicious bread for your family. If today is your first time, please like our video, share our video, subscribe to our channel for more videos, and put on your notification bell so that you can be notified anytime we upload a new video. Yes. Here are the list of the ingredients you are going to use to make this delicious condensed milk bread. In a mixing bowl, I have my warm milk and I'll add the condensed milk now. As you can see, after the condensed milk, I'll add my sugar, add the egg, and then you mix together. Mix it very well to combine very well. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you very much for watching our video. Thank you so much. You mean so much to us. And if you are watching, please tell us from where you are watching from so that we can give you a shout out in our next video. Yeah. And if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Yeah, because we need your encouragement. So we are still mixing. After that, we added the yeast. Now we are adding the flour. After the flour, the salt, and then we sieve the flour. So we continue mixing. We combine the whole ingredients together to form a dough. Then after that, we now add our butter. The butter should be at the room temperature to enable you to mix it very well. So after mixing the dough, we went ahead to continue mixing it on a workspace. So you put the dough on a workspace, add some flour. Yeah, it will enable you to knead the dough very well. So just take out some time. Gradually, you knead the dough between 5 to 10 minutes so that the dough can be smooth. If you don't have mixing machine, your hand is good to go. Just with patience, you mix it and knead it until you get a smooth dough. Yeah, as you can see here, we are gradually kneading the dough. So after 5 to 10 minutes, here we are, we have a smooth dough. So after the smooth dough, we now put it back in our pan, add some oil, grease it so that it will not get dry when you want to double it in size. So after the oil, you will go ahead to cover it, put it in a warm place, allow it to double in size. So after 15 minutes, you can see the dough has doubled in size. So we now bring out the dough, remove the air. Yeah, and the dough is ready for you to work. So you go ahead, place the dough on your workplace. So with your fingers, with your hand, you just spread the dough and cut it into 2 portions. If you are still watching and still have not subscribed, please go ahead, hit on that button, subscribe, share our video, like our video, and we would like to hear your comments. Tell us from where you are watching from so that we can give you a shout out in our next video. As you can see, the first part of the dough, you roll it straight. After rolling it, so after rolling the dough flat, as you can see, it's now good looking. So we now have to fold and fold it and fold it until we get to the end. So after folding the dough, you use your hand here to smooth it again. So here is our pan. As you can see in the pan, I added some oil with some flour. I dusted the pan to enable the dough not to stick after the baking. So now we divide the dough into 8 portions. Then add everything into the baking pan. So you go ahead and do the same thing with the remaining parts of the dough. So after adding it into the pan, you cover it for 10 to 20 minutes. And after the dough has doubled its size, then it's time for you to bake. You bake it on a preheated oven. Yes, as you can see, we are still rolling the second part of the dough. And if you are still watching to this moment, I would like you to type on the comment section milk bread. Yes, this is so delicious, so milky in the mouth. So this is the second batch of the dough. As you can see, we will roll it according to the size of the pan. Go ahead, divide it into 8 pieces, and then you are good to go. Please do not forget to like this video, give us a thumb up, share this video, and comment on this comment section. Tell us from where you are watching from so that we can give you a shout out. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and just to hit that button because it will encourage us to make more videos for you. So finally, we are here now. We are going to brush this dough after it has doubled with some egg wash. With your egg, you add a tablespoon of milk, mix it together, and you're going to rub on top of the bread. And here we are baking this bread. So I baked the bread for 25 to 30 minutes. As you can see here, they are golden brown, looking so yummy. So I have 10 grams of melted butter and 10 grams of condensed milk. I will use this to do what? To rub on top of it to give it a golden look. Yes, here we are now. The bread is ready, and you can serve this delicious condensed milk bread with warm tea, warm coffee, as you like. Just look at that. See how it's looking good, looking so yummy. Do not forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our channel. This is the end of the video. I will see you in my next video.